What's up everybody, welcome to Money Management channel. My name is Andrei and today I'm gonna be doing an update on Polkadot token. And on today's video, first of all, I will show you where we are on the price charts and how we get there. Then I will continue with some fundamental news that might affect the price of this token. And at the end of this video, I will share my thoughts and my technical analysis for the probable price action. So let's start with the price chart. I made my previous video right here at this point and I've told you that I have two main possibilities of price movement. First of all, my main assumption was that we have this as our retracement, and it is not the usual one because we have B wave that is higher than the 0 point and we have truncated C wave. It happens, but it is extremely rare. That's why I had the second possibility, and this is the second one. It is the simple zigzag, and we have to land in lower levels. But with this long wick, this layout pretty much invalidated, because we cannot have the top of our fifth wave right here, because inside this fifth wave, we will have the third wave right here from this point to this one that is retraced deeper than this lowest point, and this invalidates the entire count, and that is why my count is right here. So let me show you that if I make this line a little bit longer, we will have a third touch of this support line, and we have some kind of breakout below this line with this movement to the downside. But I don't think that it might be the real breakdown, because we don't have enough confirmation with volume, and volume should indicate that we are breaking this resistance, and we don't have enough volume. So I will share my thoughts in just several minutes, and for now let's continue with the total sentiment for entire crypto market. We are on coinmarketcap.com, and for now we are sitting at the market cap of $1.84 trillion, and it's down for about 2.29% during the last day, and all major cryptocurrencies pretty much moving a little bit south. And during last 7 days we are moving sideways. So as you can see, we don't have a strong trend line, and that is why we have to be cautious. Let me show you that Polkadot also lost about 2% of its value, and its total market cap for now is $26.8 billion, and it has the total tradable volume during last 24 hours at the level of $1.59 billion. So this volume also indicates that we are moving sideways. We don't have much changes during previous sessions, and we have almost the same level of volume during this movement to the downside. And let me show you that we don't have major news related to Polkadot. We have just several mentions on different mass media. We have, for example, this one on nairametrics.com, and it is an interview of James Wu, who is the CEO of Digital Finance, and he is a big believer of Polkadot. And I don't think that this news might affect the price of Polkadot. Nevertheless, I read this article, and this person is very knowledgeable, and definitely he knows a lot in the crypto industry, and that's why you can rely on his opinion as a part of your due diligence. On top of that, let me show you this article that was published on September 27th, and it's titled "Polkadot Price Action Shows 5 Good Reasons for 35% Profits." And let me quote you just these 3 bullets. First of all, Polkadot is independent and ready for the breakout. With the 5 good technical reasons, bulls look to take the upper hand in dot price action. A clear run higher will spell 35% returns for the bulls. And let me show you right here that the author mentioned this pennant as well, and right here we have the same support line, and basically we can use this as our resistance line. But I don't like this pennant because we have to have this point that is lower than the top of the previous motive wave, and that is why it is quite tricky to make this assumption that we have the real pennant. And also we have to have this formation strictly in fourth wave, and for now As you can see right here, from this bottom, we finished only first wave, and this is the retracement of this wave, and that's why we cannot rely on this movement as the third movement to the upside, third wave to the upside. That's why we cannot have this triangle as a formation in our fourth wave. So that's why just rely on this level as a level of support, and we have to have some kind of reaction around this level. And I will show you in my technical analysis what should we expect. So before we dive deep into the technical analysis, please hit the like button and subscribe to my channel with notification bell. This helps me a lot. So guys, as you can see, we broke this level of support, and for now we are trying to retest it from the bottom, or we have a possibility to break it again to the upside and then retest it from the top. Because right here we don't have enough volume, as I already mentioned, and that is why we have to keep an eye on this price action. So how can we invalidate my primary count of this retracement? We have to break this, as you can see, this level of 25.539, and if we will break it, this means we will have another leg to the downside, and we will have two possibilities. First of all, we might have an extension in our C wave, and this C wave might be lower, or this entire count will be invalidated, and I will have to revise this in order to make new assumption and in order to understand where we are on the price chart. But so far we are pretty much neutral, I have to say, and everything depends on the price action of Bitcoin and other major cryptocurrencies like Ethereum. And as you can see, we have pretty much similar patterns around all major cryptocurrencies, and that's why we have to keep an eye on Bitcoin. If we will break previous lowest point, previous support line with the conviction of volume and with the retest from the bottom, we will have lower price action, and this will lead us to lower price action with the Polkadot. But for now, we still have our targets at the range of $38.61. It is previous top. And next one is this top at the range of $49.43. And from our current price, we might have about 37% to this previous top and about 79% to this level. And if you want to invest in this token, if you are a believer like James Wu is, you can accumulate your position on every daily red candle, because we have very good volume right here, and this volume, as you can see, it is much higher than we had previously from the beginning of the year. This volume indicates that we might have further price action to the upside with the good price targets ahead. So I think from the technical standpoint, that's it for now. If you like my video, please hit the like button and subscribe to my channel with notification bell. And see you guys and girls next time. Bye!